Hey, what's up, horror money holders? So what's good and what's next? In upcoming days, horror money going up or fails down? This is very big question of every holder. So this is live price prediction of horror money coin. Please subscribe our YouTube channel before I get start this video. Please, if you just subscribe this channel, then I am updating you every latest news and updates of all cryptocurrencies. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. This time, if you can see here, the price is absolutely, my friend, very badly falls down in the last 7 days. But this time you can see here in the last 24 hours they changed agar and positive 2.74% they gone up the price of her money one. This time you can see here the price as 0.1041 US dollar, but the CEO of her money is targeting half US dollar. What is saying they can cross 0.5 US dollar. I hope they can hit it easily just at the end of this month. As you can see here the market cap rate as 2.93% gone up. I think this is also good. You can see a full diluted market cap 2.93% gone up. Let's see the last. Oh my goodness. Volume of last 24 hours very badly falls down. So this is not good news for everyone, my friend. 11.33%, 32% they falls down. This is very bad falls. This is, my friend, crushing down very badly falls down, my friend. Okay, let's see, my friend. Come down, come down. Okay, my friend. You can see here first of all in the graph of the video of production. First of all, I want to draw a chart, my friend. If you can see here, first line I draw, this is touch and the highest point, and the second draw is touch high, the lowest target. My friend, if you can see here, why I draw line, and here, my friend, here why I cannot draw here, because you can see here, here as the here is more points touch this line, my friend, but here is just 1 point. You can see here is just 1 point that touch it, my friend. So this is not good. You can see here after a very bad falls, my friend, after a very bad falls they take a gain jump. You can see here, but this is very a low jump, my friend. This is cannot take a highest point, my friend. So it's mean today very slowly falls down. You can see here, but after this fall they also take again falls down, my friend, after this jump. But you can see here after this fails they again take a very small jump, my friend, not a big jump. You can see here. So after this fail, my friend, they take this jump, they fails down again, and after this fails they starting moving up at the same time. You can see here the positive change occur. It's mean to they starting again jump, my friend. So upcoming days, my friend, you can see here they gone up like a rocket. So the good time is coming soon now, my friend. Please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. Just I hope they give you very good profit, they make you millionaire. So thank you so much, my brother. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative videos.